Baby with Shay. I'm here from my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. So listen, if you're new here, because I know some of y'all is new, some of y'all be perusing through YouTube, maybe YouTube be suggesting your girl, I don't know. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely hit the subscribe button. Support your girl by hitting the like button. Make sure your post notifications on as well. And so this is my Walmart weekend haul for y'all. Look, I need 15 offers for $5. I don't even know if I'm gonna hit that, y'all. The deals are not dealing. I really don't think I'm gonna hit that, but we'll see what happens this weekend. All right, we're tracking for the larger bonus as well. I feel like the deals are not dealing. Like I don't feel too positive about hitting that larger bonus, to be honest. I don't. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I don't think I'm gonna hit it. I mean, I'm only like what? I'm less than 10 in or something like that. I wanted to mention something I keep forgetting. One of you guys hit me up weeks ago, like weeks of freaking ago, about Ibotta changing well, with their bonuses, the weekend and the weekend and the midweek. Usually we've been able to hold our receipts over and submit them just so that it will track. But they fixed that. So now, or they changed it. So now we can't hold our receipts. Well, you can hold it over all you want, but you're not going to get, it's not going to count towards your bonuses, or it's not going to count towards your midweek or your weekend. Because they do have a start day and a start time. And so I wanted to mention that. The other thing is, some of you guys have asked me about with Social Nature and the aisles offers, if you can, or even Flavor Wiki, if you can do all the items on one receipt. Yes, you can with all of them, unless it specifies otherwise. I always do them on one receipt if I can, especially if it's at one store. But you can do them all on the same receipt. I just wanted to point that out. Other than that, you guys, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. I do have 2-3 freebies I'll do at Sprouts as well. I got some free coupons for the Vital Farms, the butter, and the eggs I've been sitting on. And so I'm gonna go to Sprouts and get those freebies. The Sunsip is back on aisles as well, so that'll be a freebie. And so with that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart first. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl I need to do, keep on watching. All right guys, so this next deal is on the Knoppers. There's only one of my locations that carries these, and I'm so happy they finally restocked. Since the last time I was here, they're priced at $3.66. For this, you want to grab 2. You'll end up paying $7.32 out of pocket, getting back $4.50 for buying 2 on Ta-Da. There's also a total of $3 on checkout 51, making them both free plus a 46-cent money maker. Is the Rockstar. I told you guys I am going to be killing this deal until the end of this month, and I still have a lot of referrals left, which is why I'm able to do it multiple times. And so for this, you're gonna grab a total of 2 of them, priced at $188. You're gonna pay $3.76. You'll get back $5 through aisles. You'll also get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta, making them both free plus a $2.24 moneymaker. I do have an offer on Fetch Reward for spend 22, get back $2.50 as well, and that's also gonna be tracking. And so yeah, gee guys, look what I found: tangerine, mango, guava, strawberry. So excited. So I got this flavor at last time though, so I'm definitely gonna do a couple sets of this, which is awesome. All right, so this next deal is on the sodas. Okay, it's on the Squirt, it's on the 7-Up, and the Canada Dry. You can get either regular or zero sugar. They're on rollback for $162. Awesome. Limit is 4 per flavor as well. So you're gonna grab 1 at $162, getting back 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $120, bringing them down to only 42 cents each, which is definitely not bad for a 2-liter. All right, they also have offers for the Canada Dry. It's the Christmas flavor. I think I shared that in my last video. Those are priced at $162 as well. And for that, you're getting back the same 300 kicks. It makes them 42 cents. So this next deal is on the Mothers. Again, you can always grab the mythical creatures, other circus animals. They're priced at $3.42. And so for this, you want to go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $6.84, getting back 5 on Ta-Da. And then 86 cents times 251. It makes them only 6 cents each. Now, really quick, y'all, with these offers, you always want to make sure you're checking for limits and making sure that you have the offers, because the offers do change. Because previously I was doing this deal and I was grabbing 4 since the limit was 2, but at some point they changed the limit to 2 bags, or basically limit of 1 per week. So always check your offers before you do the deal. Really quick, so there was some alcohol surveys that popped up on Flavor Wiki, and so I don't really see it here though. I think there was one that I found here, one at Vaughn's and one at Target. One that I found here is called Rancho La Gloria Lime Margarita Mix. I don't see it anywhere. But it is priced at $13.48. And you're getting back $17.49 on Flavor Wiki. It makes it a $4.01 moneymaker. Now with this particular set of surveys, they don't show you what you're buying until like you're 12% into the survey. And so just a heads up on that. If you're doing this. So this next deal is on the Palmolive. It's priced at $2.82. There's an offer for the green one as well as the blue one over on Shopkick for 300 kicks. Also getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, brings it down to only 12 cents each. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one for Ibotta as well as one for Walmart Rewards. Of course, we're grabbing this deal again, right? It's an easy deal. So it's on Arm & Hammer. Toothpaste price at $3.98. Using the $1.50 Pilly hang tag situation here, you'll pay $2.48, getting back $2 on Ibotta, limit of 3. All right, so this next deal is on the Jergens. I'm not sure. I probably won't do this deal. Believe it or not, I still have Jergens from a deal I did at CVS. And I have the really big bottles. And so this deal, the first one is on the oil infused ones right here. They have the 16.8 ounce price at $7.47. They have 2 up there. And then they have this one down here, the honey one. Getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.40. Makes that $3.07. Now there's also an offer on the cheaper ones, priced at $4.68, getting back $1 on Ibotta, 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.40, making that $2.28. And of course, we're grabbing the Q-tips again. They're priced at $1.54. For this, we're going to be getting back 365 buy-in scanned kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.46, making them only 8 cents each with a limit of 2. All right, so this deal is on the Native deodorant. This is the trial size ones. Now, really quick, I will pop up a picture of the display that you can find the seasonal ones in. We have offers on Shopkick for all 3 cents, and they are priced at $3, getting back 650 cakes, which is $2.60 on Shopkick. Brings them down to only 40 cents each, and the limit on each scent is a limit of 4. So I grabbed 4 of 2 different scents that I found at a different store yesterday. And so yeah, not a bad deal. And also a really awesome stocking stuffer. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I didn't hit my bonus. I really didn't think I was anyways, to be honest. I think I only got like 8, and it hasn't even tracked the toothpaste, so it still looks like I did 5. So yeah, I don't know, if something magical happens over the weekend, then hey, we'll see. But if not, then it is what it is, right? Quick, I'm gonna pop up a picture, if I haven't already, of the free coupons that I did get from Social Nature. And the one for the eggs, it said something else. I forget what it said, but it didn't actually scan. But the cashier manually put it in for me, so it still made those free, which is awesome. And I'm actually looking forward to trying these eggs. I mean, I just got eggs. It's sad eggs are going back up in price. I just got a 60 count for like 19, almost 20 bucks at Aldi, which is crazy. And so happy to have some free eggs. And I haven't tried this butter yet, but we'll see. I feel like butter is butter, but I know that's not true. We grew up with, Country Crock, so I don't know if it tastes like that. All right, I did the Rockstar a total of 7 times, all at Walmart. Then I was so excited to find this flavor, and then I found one little lonely grape. And then I went ahead and grabbed the 0 carb ones. Those are like a green tea flavor. And then I got 2 squirts and 2 7-Ups. I probably should have maxed that deal out. I was gonna get Canada Dry, but I'm not a real big fan of Canada Dry, to be honest. But I drinks the heck out of some 0 sugar. I should just max it out. I feel like I should have now. And really quick, really quick. In my last video, with that Capri Sun, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know if I got my numbers mixed up. I don't know if I screwed up in the transcribing it from paper to Google Doc. But some of y'all came at me in the comments like the math wasn't mathing. And I said 2 cents and it was 98 cents. Tell me, I would not have bought 12 of those. And I know some of y'all in the comments was like, Shay, don't do it, Shay. That's not right. That's not right. But it was already done. And so, but rest assured, they all went to a nice, loving home. I donated them to my sister yesterday. She took all of them. So they have all gone to a better place. Trust and believe. But if I had realized that they were 98 cents, I would have got 12. For real. And so, but thank you and shout out to you guys for, you know, checking my math. Y'all was like, wait up, Shay, that's not right. That's not right. And so listen, other than that, this all went good. This all was a nice little quick haul. Here goes my receipts for this haul. Lots of receipts. And so everything that you see here retails $140.23. We had $19.98 in coupons. My sales tax was $6.45. The out of pocket was $120.25. And then walking away with $37.49 from aisles. Shopkick is $33.68. Swagbucks is $15.47. I did get a bonus, my monthly bonus as well, for last month, which was $197. Checkout 51 was $13.96. Ibotta is $12.50. Tada was $9.50. Fetch Reward was $2.50. Walmart Rewards was $1.50. And last but not least, Merryfield was 53 cents. So walking away with a total of $130.82 back makes everything that you see here free plus a $10.52 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna do a giveaway. Since the last person that I did a giveaway with, they never got back to me. And if you guys are not gonna get back to me for this free money, then you should not leave a comment. Because I know there's a lot of y'all that would have totally got back, right? But I'm just being transparent. The last person didn't get back to me. And so we're going to do another $25 Walmart gift card that we will be giving out in my next Walmart video, which would probably be for my midweek. And so in the comments, just give me a star. Okay, I want you to give me a star in the comments if you make it to the end. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.